Om Sai Ram. Let's meditate today on the glorious form of the Lord, who is in the form of light in front of us. As we meditate, let's bring the body, the senses, and mind under control. To bring our body under control, let's sit straight with both hands resting on our knees and bringing the thumb and index finger together, symbolizing our union with the Lord. Observe your breath, and as you do, repeat the words So Hum in your mind. As you fill your lungs with air, breathe in the word So, and then breathe out Hum, reminding you of its meaning, God I am. Now, visualize a lit candle in front of you with a gentle flame. Look on the flame steadily for some time. Now close your eyes and try to feel the flame inside you, between your eyebrows. Let the flame slide down into the lotus of your heart. As it enters the heart, imagine that the petals of this lotus unfold one by one, bathing every thought, feeling, and emotion in the light, and removing darkness from them. There is no space for darkness to hide. Imagine the light becoming wider, bigger, and brighter. Let it pervade your hands. Now you can never indulge in dark, suspicious, and wicked activities. These hands have become instruments of light and love. Move the flame slowly down to your feet. This light shines bright in your feet, ensuring that they take you to good places. Let the flame rise up and fill your stomach with this divine light. The light moves over and fills your back and your shoulders. Now, your body is filled with light, which gets brighter and brighter. Take this light to your eyes. As this flame shines bright in your eyes, you will see only what is good. Slowly, take the light to both of your ears and purify them, so that they hear only what is good. Take this light further to the region of your mouth and keep it on your tongue, and be blessed to always speak the truth. And finally, bring this light up to your head. There, the light transforms into a crown, enshrining and covering the head. Let your head be soaked with light, allowing all negative thoughts to flee. Imagine this light in you intensify. Let it shine all around you, and let it spread from you in ever-widening circles. Imagine this flame burning bright within all the members of your family. Imagine this flame burning bright in your neighbors, in the people of your locality, and in your friends and relations. Imagine this flame enveloping your enemies, all strangers, trees, animals, birds, the entire world. Stay in this moment and enjoy the beautiful light permeate the world with love. God, in whichever form you favor, is now no different to this all-pervasive light. This light is God. God is light. Now, when you're ready, slowly open your eyes and enjoy the bliss.
ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। 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 ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईश्वराय विद्महे सत्यदेवाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः 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 प्रचोदयात्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
ॐ भगवान् श्री सत्य साई बाबाय नमः। 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 ॐ भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबाय नमः। ओम 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 भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबाय नमः। शांति शांति शांति।
Later years means 47, 48, when they would have these big festivals like Dashera and birthday, so many hundreds of devotees would come, and Swami would be so bubbling with energy and running all around the place, doing all the things. But the day after the birthday or the day after the festival, Swami would go and lock himself up and would not come out the entire day. People will feel that this is a very cold treatment to give. Generally, you should come out and send off all the guests who come, right? But they didn't realize that Swami was sitting in the room and feeling bad that all are leaving. Why was Swami doing this? There's a beautiful incident where Swami explained this. Apparently, much later in the 70s, when Swami's students came and Swami's Vrindavan College was set up, the students would come, they would participate in the festivals in Puttaparthi, and when they would return on their way back, as it happens even now, they all would loudly shout, Jai Bolo Bhagwan Shri Sathya Sai Baba Ji Ki Jai. And Swami would be seated in his room or in the interview room, and around Swami would be elders like Kutum Rao and Professor Kasturi. And Swami would start becoming very melancholic. Swami would say, my students are all leaving, my students are leaving. So the elders around would console Swami. Swami, it's okay, Anyway, you're going to Vrindavan next week or next month they're coming here. Why do you have to feel bad? And this would happen every time. At one point, Professor Kasturi was saying that they said, Swami, what is this drama? You're anyway beyond all this. Why are you doing all this? Then Swami said, you don't understand the real reason for my pain. And Swami said, see, these boys, as long as they are here, as long as they are with Swami, Swami is the center of their life. All their thoughts are centered around Swami. Whatever they do, they're dedicated to Swami. Every moment of the day, they're only thinking about Swami. Now when they leave, they will forget Swami, and that is not good for them. And I am feeling for that.
मंगलदायक हे गणनाथ,
मंगलदायक हे गणनाथ,
मंगलदायक हे गणनाथ,
मंगलदायक हे गणनाथ,
प्रणव स्वरूप विघ्न विनाशा,
प्रणव स्वरूप विघ्न विनाशा,
प्रणव स्वरूप विघ्न विनाशा,
प्रणव स्वरूप विघ्न विनाशा,
हे शिवनंदन पाहि दयाला,
शिवनंदन पाहि दयाला,
हे शिवनंदन पाहि दयाला,
शिवनंदन पाहि दयाला,
पर्तिपुरीश्वर जगत परिपाला,
पर्तिपुरीश्वर जगत परिपाला,
पर्तिपुरीश्वर जगत परिपाला,
पर्तिपुरीश्वर जगत परिपाला,
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा,
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा,
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा,
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा,
मंगलदायक हे गणनाथ,
मंगलदायक हे गणनाथ,
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
हे शिवनंदन पाहि दयाला
शिवनंदन पाहि दयाला
पतिपुरीश्वर जगत परिपाला
जगत परिपाला
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
प्रणव स्वरूपा विघ्न विनाशा
मंगलदायक हे गणनाथा
कोई बोले हरि हरि, कोई बोले राम राम, बोले हरि हरि, कोई बोले राम राम, कोई बोले हरि हरि, कोई बोले राम राम, कोई बोले हरि हरि, कोई बोले राम राम, कोई बोले दुर्गा काली, कोई बोले साई माँ,
कोई बोले दुर्गा काली कोई बोले साई माँ
कोई बोले दुर्गा काली, कोई बोले साई माँ,
कोई बोले दुर्गा काली कोई बोले साई माँ
कोई बोले हरि हरि, कोई बोले राम राम,
बोले हरि हरि कोई बोले राम राम
कोई बोले नारायण अल्लाह बिस्मिल्लाह,
कोई बोले नारायण अल्लाह बिस्मिल्लाह
कोई बोले नारायण अल्लाह बिस्मिल्लाह,
कोई बोले नारायण अल्लाह बिस्मिल्लाह
कोई बोले नारद बुद्ध महावीर,
कोई बोले नानक बुद्ध महावीरा
कोई बोले नारद बुद्ध महावीर,
कोई बोले नानक बुद्ध महावीरा
साधु संत के राजा ने सब है तीनों नाम,
साधु संत की राजा ने सब है तेरो नाम
साधु संत की राजा ने सब है तीनों नाम,
साधु संत की राजा ने सब है तेरो नाम
बोल मन अल्लाह मालिक, बोल मन साई नाम,
बोल मन अल्लाह मालिक बोल मन साई राम
बोल बोल मन अल्लाह मालिक, बोल मन साई नाम,
बोल बोल मन अल्लाह मालिक बोल मन साई राम
कोई बोले हरि हरि, कोई बोले राम राम,
कोई बोले राम राम
कोई बोले दुर्गा काली, कोई बोले साई माँ,
कोई बोले दुर्गा काली कोई बोले साई माँ
कोई बोले हरि हरि, कोई बोले राम राम,
बोले हरि हरि कोई बोले राम राम
कोई बोले नारायण अल्लाह बिस्मिल्लाह,
कोई बोले नारायण अल्लाह बिस्मिल्लाह
कोई बोले नारद बुद्ध महावीर,
कोई बोले नानक बुद्ध महावीरा
साक्षात परब्रह्म साई गुरु वंदना सत्य साई
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 गुरु पदरंजन गुरु परमेशा
गुरु पदरंजन गुरु परमेशा
गुरु पदरंजन गुरु परमेशा
गुरु पदरंजन गुरु परमेशा
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु महेशा
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 सद्गुरु साई प्रतिपुरीशा
सद्गुरु साई प्रतिपुरीशा
सद्गुरु साई प्रतिपुरीशा
सद्गुरु साई प्रतिपुरीशा
चरण नमोस्तुते साई महेशा
शरण नमोस्तुते साई महेशा
चरण नमोस्तुते साई महेशा
नमोस्तुते साई महेशा
साक्षात परब्रह्म साई गुरु वंदना सत्य साई
साक्षात परब्रह्म साई गुरु वंदना सत्य साई
गुरु पदरंजन गुरु परमेशा
पदरंजना गुरु परमेशा
गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु महेशा
ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु महेशा
सद्गुरु साई प्रतिपुरीशा
सद्गुरु साई प्रतिपुरीशा
चरण नमोस्तुते साई महेशा
शरण नमोस्तुते साई महेशा
चरण नमोस्तुते साई महेशा
नमोस्तुते साई महेशा
साक्षात परब्रह्म साई गुरु वंदना सत्य साई
Sai Ram, hear my call to you. Sai Ram, hear my call.
Sai Ram, hear my call to you. Sai Ram, hear my call.
Sai Ram, hear my call to you. Sai Ram, hear my call.
Sai Ram, hear my call to you. Sai Ram, hear my call.
Sai Ram, I know you must hear my call.
Sai Ram, I know you must hear my call.
Sai Ram, I know you must hear my call.
Sai Ram, I know you must hear my call.
Sai Ram, hear my call to you. Sai Ram, hear my call.
Sai Ram, hear my call to you. Sai Ram, hear my call.
In my heart there's a burning, yearning for you.
In my heart is a burning yearning
burning, yearning for you.
I am waiting, I am praying, I am calling to you.
I am waiting, I am praying, I am calling to you.
I am waiting, I am praying, I am calling to you.
I am waiting, I am praying, I am calling to you.
Sai Ram, hear my call to you. Sai Ram, hear my call.
Sai Ram, hear my call to you. Sai Ram, hear my call.
Sai Ram, I know you must hear my call.
Sai Ram, I know you must hear my call.
Sai Ram, hear my call to you. Sai Ram, hear my call.
Sai Ram, hear my call to you. Sai Ram, hear my call.
In my heart is a burning, yearning for you.
In my heart is a burning, yearning for you.
I am waiting, I am praying, I'm calling to you.
I'm waiting, I'm praying, I'm calling to you.
I am waiting, I am praying, I'm calling to you.
Sai Ram, hear my call to you. Sai Ram, hear my call.
दशरथ नंदन श्री रामचंद्र धर्म संरक्षक
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 देवकी नंदन मुरलीधरा आनंददायक श्याम
आनंददायक
देवकी नंदन मुरलीधरा आनंददायक ईश्वराम सुत श्री सत्य साई प्रेमामृत भगवान
श्री सत्य साई प्रेमामृत भगवान
ईश्वराम सुत श्री सत्य साई प्रेमामृत भगवान
ईश्वराम सुत श्री सत्य साई प्रेमामृत भगवान
जय 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 शिव शक्ति स्वरूपा मंगलदायक
जय 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 शिव शक्ति स्वरूपा
जय 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 शिव शक्ति स्वरूपा मंगलदायक
जय 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 शिव शक्ति स्वरूपा
दशरथ नंदन श्री रामचंद्र धर्म संरक्षक
दशरथ नंदन श्री रामचंद्र
देवकी नंदन मुरलीधर शक्ति स्वरूपा मंगलदायक नाम
जय जय शिव शक्ति स्वरूपा
दशरथ नंदन राम
दशरथ नंदन राम
आनंददायक श्याम
आनंददायक श्याम
प्रेमामृत भगवान
प्रेमामृत भगवान
जय 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 साई राम
जय 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 साई राम
बोलो जय 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 साई राम
जय 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 साई राम
दशरथ नंदन राम आनंददायक श्याम
आनंददायक श्याम
प्रेमामृत भगवान
प्रेमामृत भगवान
जय 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 साई राम
जय 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 साई राम
बोलो जय 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 साई राम
जय 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 साई राम
दशरथ नंदन श्री रामचंद्र धर्म संरक्षक
साई हमारा हम साई के ऐसा प्रेम हमारा
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 साई राम हमारा साई राम हमारा
साई राम हमारा साई राम हमारा
साई राम हमारा साई राम हमारा
साई राम हमारा
सत्य साई है नाम तुम्हारा शिरडी साई अवतारा
साई है नाम तुम्हारा शिरडी साई अवतारा
सत्य साई है नाम तुम्हारा शिरडी साई अवतारा
साई है नाम तुम्हारा शिरडी साई अवतारा
साई राम हमारा साई राम हमारा
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 हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सबका पालनहारा
मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सबका पालनहारा
हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सबका पालनहारा
मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई सबका पालनहारा
साई राम हमारा साई राम हमारा
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 साई हमारा हम साई के ऐसा प्रेम हमारा
साई हमारा हम साई के ऐसा प्रेम हमारा
साई राम हमारा साई राम हमारा
साई राम हमारा साई राम हमारा
सत्य साई है नाम तुम्हारा शिरडी साई अवतारा
साई है नाम तुम्हारा शिरडी साई अवतारा
हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई
पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं
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 जनन मरण भय शोक विदूरं
जनन मरण भय शोक विदूरं
जनन मरण भय शोक विदूरं
शोक विदूरं
सकल शास्त्र निगमागम सारं
सकल शास्त्र निगमागम सारं
सकल शास्त्र निगमागम सारं
सकल शास्त्र निगमागम सारं
पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं
पिबरे
श्रीनारायण तु पुरुषोत्तम गुरु तु सिद्ध बुद्ध तु स्कंद विनायक सविता पावक तु सविता पावक तु ब्रह्ममस्तु यव शक्ति तु येषु पिता प्रभु तु रुद्र विष्णु तु राम कृष्ण तु रहीम दाओ तु रहीम दाओ तु वासुदेव गोविंद स्वरूप तु चिदानंद हरि तु अद्वितीय तु अकाल निर्भय आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु आत्मलिंग शिव तु
Christian prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread. Forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, the power, and the glory, forever and ever. Amen. Muslim prayer. In the name of God, most gracious, most merciful, praise be to God, the cherisher and sustainer of the worlds. Most gracious, most merciful, master of the day of judgment. You do we worship, and your aid we seek. Show us the straight way, the way of those on whom you have bestowed your grace, those whose potion is not wrath, and who go not astray. Buddhist refuges. I take refuge in the Buddha. I take refuge in Dharma. I take refuge in the Sangha. Hindu prayer. The universal teacher is the creator. The universal teacher is the protector and sustainer. The universal teacher is the Almighty. The universal teacher is verily the supreme unmanifested one. To that Guru we offer our prostrations. Zoroastrian prayer. Just as the will of the ruler of the universe is supreme, so is the spiritual teacher supreme through his asha. The gifts of good mind are for those who do good deeds in the name of Mazda. The strength and power of Ahura are given to him who renders help and shelters the poor and needy. Jewish prayer. Hear, O Israel, the Lord our God, the Lord is one. You shall love God with all your heart, with all your soul, and with all your resources. Let these matters which I command you today be upon your heart. Teach them thoroughly to your children, and speak of them while you sit in your home, while you walk on the way, when you retire, and when you arise. Amen.
For that.
ఎట్లా
How?
శ్రవణం
The listening,
కీర్తనం
singing,
విష్ణు స్మరణం
chanting,
పాదసేవనం
service,
వందనం
salutation,
దాస్యం స్నేహం
friendship,
ఆత్మ నివేదన
surrender.
స్నేహం అనేటువంటిది ఎప్పుడు కలుగుతుంది ఆత్మ నివేదనకు ముందుగా వస్తుంది అది
This friendship comes prior to the surrender.
కనుక మనం ఆ ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ స్థాయికి మనం పోవాలి
We should reach that state of
ఆ
friendship.
ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ అనగా ఏమిటి
What is friendship?
కొత్త ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ కాదు
It's not new friendship.
పాత ఫ్రెండ్షిప్
It's the old friendship.
పాత ఫ్రెండ్షిప్ మీ ఇంటికి వస్తే "ఏ, రారా పోరా కూర్చోరా అంటుంటాం
If any of your old friend comes, you talk to him. Come
వాళ్ళు
in.
ఏమాత్రం కించిత్ కూడా గౌరవించము
You don't respect him in any way.
కానీ కొత్త ఫ్రెండే వస్తే రండి దయచేయండి కూర్చోండి కాఫీ ఈ విధంగా మాట్లాడతాం
If a new friend comes, he'll say, receive with all courtesies.
ఈ గౌరవ మర్యాదలకు కొత్త ఫ్రెండ్ కే ఇస్తారు కానీ పాత ఫ్రెండ్ కి ఇవ్వరు
The courtesies are extended to a new friend, but not to an old
పాత
friend.
ఫ్రెండ్ ను స్వేచ్ఛగా అనుభవిస్తారు
Old friend enjoys
కాబట్టి
freely.
భగవంతుడు అందరికి పాత ఫ్రెండ్
So
ఓల్డ్ ఫ్రెండ్
God is an old friend to all.
ఇలాంటి సత్యాన్ని మనం గుర్తించుకున్నప్పుడే ఆ ఫ్రెండ్ తో మనం స్వేచ్ఛగా ఉండొచ్చు
When you recognize the truth, you can move freely with that friend.
కనుక నీ దోషములు కూడా నువ్వు ఆ ఫ్రెండ్ తో చెప్పుకోవాలి
You can express your mistakes to that friend also.
ఆ యొక్క దోషములు ఫ్రెండ్ కి అందించాలి
You have to pass
ఆ
on.
ఫ్రెండ్ యొక్క ఆదేశాన్ని నీవు అందుకోవాలి
And you can also receive
నీ
advice.
హృదయాన్ని పరిశుద్ధం గావించుకోవాలి
Then you can purify your heart.
भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्
ओम जय जगदीश हरे स्वामी सत्य साई हरे भक्त जना संरक्षक भक्त जना संरक्षक पति महेश्वरा ओम जय जगदीश हरे शशिवदना श्रीकरा सर्वा प्राणपते स्वामी सर्वा प्राणपते आश्रित कल्पलतिका आश्रित कल्पलतिका आपद्बान्धवा ओम जय जगदीश हरे माता पिता गुरुदेवं मरियन्तयु नीवे स्वामी मरियन्तयु नीवे नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नाद ब्रह्म जगन्नाथा नागेन्द्र शयना ओम जय जगदीश हरे ओंकार रूप ओजस्वी ओ साई महादेवा सत्य साई महादेवा मंगल आरती अंदुकु मंगल आरती अंदुकु मंदर गिरिधारी ओम जय जगदीश हरे नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण 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 ओम नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम सत्य नारायण नारायण ओम जय सद्गुरुदेवा शांति 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 समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः सुखिनो भवन्तु समस्त लोकाः
सुखिनो भवन्तु। शांति शांति शांति। Peace, 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 peace on earth. Peace, peace, peace for all the universe, for all the universe, for all the universe. जय बोलो भगवान श्री सत्य साई बाबा जी की।